Hello, I'm Mina, and here is a clear summary of the most important AI news from the past couple of days. A major development comes from HP, which has announced it will cut between 4,000 and 6,000 jobs by 2028 as the company shifts further toward AI-driven operations and automation. HP explained that new AI tools allow them to streamline workflows and reduce labor-intensive tasks. This move highlights a broader global trend. Large tech companies are increasingly restructuring their teams as they integrate AI more deeply into product development, customer support, and internal processes. Another important update comes from Microsoft Ignite, where many enterprises shared their real-world experience with Agentic AI. These are AI systems designed for take proactive actions, automate tasks, and help teams make decisions. However, companies say fully transforming workflows is still challenging. Today, many AI agents are used for content creation, document analysis, internal research, and knowledge management. The idea of AI acting as a fully autonomous boss or project manager is still far away, but progress continues. In healthcare, Taiwan has launched a significant new platform called SpotMass, which uses genomics and artificial intelligence for early multi-cancer detection. This technology can detect several types of cancer earlier than traditional methods, potentially improving patient outcomes. It's another example of how AI is moving beyond software and entering high-impact fields like diagnostics and precision medicine. Meanwhile, in Shenzhen, China, an international competition for AI-powered sanitation robots is underway. These robots are competing in real urban environments, including walkways, plazas, and auxiliary roads, to demonstrate how well they can clean public spaces without human intervention. This event shows how fast robotics and AI are merging, bringing us closer to fully automated city maintenance. These were the most important AI developments from the past 2 days. I'm Mina, and thank you for staying updated with me.